Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Yoast Redirect Manager for SEO-safe migrations step by step clearly. Start by accessing your WordPress dashboard. Locate and select the Yoast SEO plugin from the left sidebar. Click on the Redirects option under the Yoast SEO section. In the Redirects interface, you will see a button labeled Add Redirect. Click on this button to create a new redirect. You'll need to choose the type of redirect you want to set up. Select the appropriate redirect type according to your needs. For example, choose 301 for permanent redirects. Now, enter the old URL in the first field. In the second field, input the new URL where users should be directed. If you want to redirect an entire directory, you can use a wildcard. Utilize the asterisk symbol to signify the entire directory. Next, click on the Add Redirect button to save your changes. You will see a confirmation message confirming that your redirect was added. To manage your redirects effectively, review the list displayed. Identify any redirects you may want to modify or delete later. If you need to edit an existing redirect, click on the pencil icon next to it. Make the necessary changes and click Update to save. Periodically check your redirects for any errors or outdated links. Consider using the redirect checklist in Yoast for best practices. You can easily track redirection performance through analytics. This will help you ensure optimal SEO performance after migration. Regularly updating and managing your redirects is essential for maintaining SEO integrity. Perform a thorough testing of each redirect to verify they function correctly. By following these steps, you can ensure a smoother migration process. This will help retain your website's SEO value and user experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.